tip number 5. It's the closing process. It's the point of the time of the sale process where the contract has been accepted but not yet closed. This is where the bumps in the road become critical in how much you're going to make or how much you're going to lose in that process. A couple key points that happen in those times is the investigation of the condition of the property and the buyers demanding money be given back to them, or the appraisal process and the appraisal comes in low. How do you get around these things? What's critical is knowing the person guiding this process has been there before and knows how to get around it. They understand what to say to a buyer, why you don't have to put a brand new roof on a 30-year-old home. They're not getting a brand new home, they're getting a 30-year-old home. So how do you figure this out? How long has your agent been in the business? How many times have they been in a negotiation situation after a contract's been accepted and it's fallen apart? Find out that information from your agent. See if they have the experience to be able to get you through these challenges that happen after an accepted offer. I can tell you, in a hot real estate market, anybody can get a home to escrow. It's getting it closed at the original price that was accepted is the key. And in a downward trending market, holding a deal together is critical to protect your bottom line. Understand your agent's capability before you sign a contract. This can save you some money. For the other 4 parts of this series, just check out my page. And if you're curious how to maximize the sales price on your property, you can also go to edsellmyhomefast.com. That's edsellmyhomefast.com.